Hello, I'm Dr. Jeremy Gill. I came to Martha Jefferson in July of 2012 with my wife, Dr. Margot Gill, who's a family practice physician, and our 4 children. I attended the University of Maryland for medical school, went to University of Massachusetts for my residency, and stayed on for my clinical neurophysiology fellowship. After that, I worked for the University of Massachusetts for 2 years as a faculty member. I became a neurologist for 2 reasons. One is I like in neurology how you localize where the problem is and find a specific cause for what's happening to the patient. And the second is that I like the time spent with the patient, face to face, taking the history and doing the neurologic examination. My clinical interests lie in epilepsy, seizures, determining whether someone is having a convulsion or a pseudo-seizure. I also am a practicing general neurologist involving a broad range, including dementia, movement disorders, and neuromuscular problems. My additional training in epilepsy allows me to be available to see your patients with unusual symptoms, including convulsions, fits, or syncopal spells, and determine whether these are from epilepsy or another cause. In addition, I can give advice as to their medication and proper treatment. As our epilepsy program has been expanding, we're also expanding our diagnostic services, including ambulatory EEG and continuous EEG monitoring on an inpatient basis. Outside of the hospital, I enjoy backpacking and hiking. However, I haven't been doing as much lately. My wife and I have 4 young children that keep us very busy. Overall, it's my pleasure to be a part of the expanding services in neurology here at Martha Jefferson, and I look forward to seeing and caring for your patients in the future.